Okay, push press then. Push press. First exercise of week 2, session 2. Hand shoulder width. So on our bars, we've got smooth bit, knurling here, so the rough bit. My hands are going to go about an inch or so, half an inch outside that. So I use my knuckle and my thumb to set it up. So I look for that little crease in the knuckle, place it on the knurling, job done. From there, elbows slightly forward of the bar, and we want to do a push press. So here we go, dip, drive, and push. Dip, drive, and push. So here from the side, you're going to dip the knees about 3 inches, keep the shoulders back, squeeze the glutes and butt, glutes and hands, glutes and quads even, and then we're going to push. So dip, glutes and quads, then the arms at the top. So linking it all together, there is a push press. Good luck. Dumbbell, same thing applies though, dip, drive the arm overhead. So here, dip and push. So you can go single arm or double arm. Just record it, whichever one you use, doesn't matter. And we will work with that as the program progresses. As long as you're getting stronger, that's what counts. First exercise for this session on the shoulders is the windmill. This is going to be tricky, so you can use a dumbbell or a kettlebell. I'm going to use a kettlebell. I prefer the kettlebell just because I feel like it sits on my arm a bit better. But here's how it works. So left arm up to the sky, toes are going to point to the right. The initiation of the movement, I just bump the hips back towards that left side. So hips bump, hand slides down the inside of the leg, and I get to wherever I can get to. Now, if you can only get to the knee here, that's really good. If you can get to the shin here, that's a bit better. But if you can get all the way to the floor, touch the floor, and all the way back up, that's what we want the end goal to be. So, again, bump the hips towards the arm in the air. So left side for me here. Nice big turn, touch the floor. Same with the right hand. Quick demo with the right. So right hand up, toes to the left, bump the hip. Oh, let's get my balance. So bump the hips to the right, touch the knee, touch the shin, touch the floor. Those are the 3 progressions. So aiming for a 5 rep max. I wouldn't be true to my roots, but I didn't include some kind of gymnastics exercises into my programming. And I like a bit of variety, a bit of fun. So here we're going to do the handstand push-up, but we're going to scale it to a box variation. So this can be a box, a bench, doesn't matter what. Essentially, as long as you get your knees up. So the target for us, hands are going to go in the corners of the ab mat. So from there, if you can see, my hands are going to go around about there. My head is going to touch down where that G is, about there, okay? That's the goal. So when I get onto the box, we're going to go on the knees first, because this is the easiest variation. Hands in the corners, spread those fingers. Try and get your head towards the box as much as you can, and then lower yourself down so you get that triangle position between your head and hands, and then back to the top. Touch the head down, push up, head through towards the box. As long as you get that triangle at the bottom, that's golden. Good luck. Looking forward to that. We're not going to weight that, so it's just 3 sets. Do as best you can. Let me know how you get on. Welcome to the finisher, the end piece. We need 2 kettlebells. You can do it with dumbbells. First one then. some bottoms up, laterals. I want to see the elbow at the shoulder height. There, I want 90 degrees at the elbow. And all you're going to do is rotate that elbow out to the side, keeping that height. So keep the elbow at shoulder height, keep a good grip of the kettlebell. That's what we want. Same again on this side. So elbow at shoulder height, rotate out to the side. There, squeeze your butt, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your abs, squeeze your quads. Nice and active. And from there, some renegade rows. So high plank position, feet wide, bum down, and we're just going to row towards the hip. From the side, as I say, pull the kettlebell to the hip, to the hip, to the hip. If your kettlebells are a little bit small like these, okay, small surface area, you can do those with dumbbells, no problem. Good luck. Let me know how you get on.